Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Coding with Ankit. Today we will solve Leetcode problem. Let's get started. Today's problem is move 0, problem number 283. It's a easy type problem. In this problem, what we have to do, we have to move all the 0 to the end of the array while maintaining the relative order of non-zero. We'll be given an array and this array will contain some 0 and some non-zero. We have to move all the 0 towards the end. Let's see this problem in Leetcode. In the description, you can see it's mentioned as we have given an integer array nums, move all 0 to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of non-zero element. And note that we must do this in place without making a copy of array. In example, we have an array which contains 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. And in output, you can see all the 0 moved towards the end. So now it became 1, 3, 12, 2 times 0. Second example, it contains only 0, so in output also it's coming same. We will solve this problem using two pointer. Let's discuss how we will solve, and then later we will write the code for this. I have taken the same example, same array which contains 1, 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. What we will do, we will solve this problem with two pointer. I have taken two pointer. One pointer is 0, that will point to index 0, and the other pointer is non-zero, that will point again to same 0 index. And what we will do as name donating, will be trying to point this pointer. One we will point to 0 index value, and the other one we will point to non-zero value, and that those index will store in these 2 points. So we'll start with both 0, and what we will do, we will use a looping, and then we will move non-zero pointer. Whenever we will find a non-zero, then we will swap with 0 pointer. So in the first case, we are getting 0 at 0 index and non-zero at index 1. So non-zero pointer will store value 1, and then we will swap these two value. So it will become 1, 0, 0, 3, 12, which it is showing. I am showing in third row. Then same way, after doing that, we will increment the 0 pointer. So now it come to first index, and we will increment non-zero, then it will come to second index. Then second index we have 0 value, so we don't have to worry. We need to move again. We will increment non-zero pointer. Now it will come to 3. So you can see I am donating two numbers with yellow color that we have to swap. So first is 0, which is at index 1, and 3, which is at index 4. Those two we have to swap. So now it will become 1, 3, 2 times 0, and then 12. Same way, I will increment both 0 and non-zero, and then I will find the last element, which is 12 at the fifth index, that we have to swap with third index, which is value containing 0. Time complexity of this algorithm is big of n, and space complexity is constant. Let's write the code for this. I will write the code in Java language, and I will use Leetcode. As I mentioned, we will take two pointer. One is 0 equal to 0. We'll be pointing 0 index, and the other pointer non-zero, which will also point to 0 index. I will use while loop, and what we will do, we will move non-zero index. We will move till nums dot length. If the value of non-zero is less than num dot length, till that time we have to. Inside this if while loop, we will add if condition, and we will check if nums dot non-zero is not equal to 0, that means it's containing non-zero value like 1, 2, 3, anything, then we have to swap. For that we will use a temporary variable. We will store nums 0 value there, then nums 0 equal to nums non-zero, non-zero, and at the last nums non-zero equal to 10. Once it is done, once we have solved this, what we will do, we will add some increment. First increment we will do with 0. Inside if condition, we'll be incrementing 0 plus plus, because that time we already made a swap between 0 and non-zero value. And if this condition is not true or true also, we have to increment non-zero plus plus. So these two increment we will do. Let's run the code and see. So it's working fine with both the test cases. Let's submit the code and we will see if it is working for all the test cases or not. Yeah, it's working fine with all the test cases as well. So that's about this problem. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please give a hit and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.